Forecast.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. We're going to toss things over to Carson Vickroy now for a look at the forecast. Carson?
Yes, Corinne. A little bit hazy out there, and you can just kind of see the graininess of this picture. And once again, yeah, there are a few clouds out there, but the main culprit is actually smoke from the New Mexico wildfires. Check this out. You can see some thick smoke at times between Abilene and Irving, Texas, and this is starting to move into East Texas. But any of these little red dots, those are fires out in New Mexico, so this is something we are going to have to continue to watch here over the next few days. Probably going to decrease the quality of air here. Temperature-wise, we are in the 80s. It is 80 in Marshall, just warmed up to 84 in Jacksonville. We're now at 85 at the Tyler Pounds Airport. Some higher clouds in our northern counties. That's the white on the radar. 80 at Sulphur Springs. 82 is the current reading in Mineola, Texas. So let's go ahead and talk about how far above normal we have been. Well, we are 14 of 16 of above average days. Now, what we mean by average is we take a 30-year mean between 1990 and 2020, and we come out with an average temperature. Well, 14 of the 16 first days in May have been above those numbers. You can see the two exceptions were Tuesday, May 3rd, and Cinco de Mayo there on Thursday, May 5th are in the green, but everybody else in the red, and this will continue through at least Thursday. However, there's some relief on the way, but I have to show you the heat that we're going to see today first before we talk about what's to happen in the future. 92 is your high temperature for today. We will see a few clouds around tonight, mostly clear and humid with the low around 72. Now, what we have on satellite and radar is a dry line. This is going to be very stubborn. It's not going to move very much, which will prevent rain from falling here in East Texas for at least the next 3 or so days. But this begins to change as we head into your Friday. We are going to go ahead and pause this Friday night at about 8 o'clock. Look at this blow up of showers and thunderstorms. Still lots of questions to be answered because we're still 3 days out, 72 hours plus out from the showers and thunderstorms really beginning to materialize. But those will march off to the east, could bring us a chance at severe weather. I wouldn't cancel those plans yet, just have a way to get weather information, because there's still a long time. Things can change with our forecast. Here's the front off to our north and to our west. Saturday morning, we do see a little bit of a break. The front is still there, not showing up on my screen, but you can tell that it's still there by these blue wind dots coming down and these red wind dots coming out of the Gulf. That will trigger a few showers and thunderstorms with some convergence happening here in East Texas. Anytime you've got convergence with these arrows with the winds, you do tend to see those showers and thunderstorms. By 7 o'clock Sunday morning, we get another break, and then we could have additional showers as we head into Sunday night. What type of severe weather threat are we looking at? Well, decent chance, speaking that this is still about 3 or 4 days away. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible for the northern 2/3 of our area, so we'll keep an eye on that. Otherwise, still a pretty active pattern, especially Sunday into Monday with those rain chances, and high temperatures should remain in the 80s. And here's how that's all reflected over your next several days. I've got us in the 90s through Friday, and then there are your storm chances, the best of which will be Friday night into Saturday. And deep East Texas is going to follow suit. I think the better chances of rain for you on Friday will stay off to the north and to the west. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.